Good morning. I have kids today and I'm trying to make waffles for the first time. So my main project for today is this room. It is absolutely trashed. If any of you have a toddler, you know about this. This is a daily thing. I just choose not to clean it on the daily because it's exhausting and I don't have time for this. To just simply reorganize everything, rearrange everything, put everything back where it goes. So the waffles didn't work out, and what are we having? Corn dogs? Yeah, that seems like a happy face. So I'm getting ready to get ready and change because we're deciding on whether we want to go walk around the park in our hometown. They've got this little nature path, or if we want to go to the high school and do their new bike path. And then also along that course, or that path, they have a frisbee golf course. So we may go play some frisbee golf on our last day of summer vacation. So the picture I got yesterday from my friend, I hung it above our bed. It's me and Matthew in a ditch. So I just got my waterproof phone case. I'm pretty excited because we're going to Adventureland in 2 weeks. And they have a water park. And we're going boating after that, the weekend after. And then I can take my phone and vlog for you guys. I'm so excited. So excited to get presents in the mail. It's like Christmas every day. So we decided to come to the park. Oh. Getting ready to go on our hike. Oh crap, they're playing in the adventure raft. Krazer's loving this. He doesn't get out much, so he's pretty excited. So I thought, that was already there. So I thought this chair wobbled. It doesn't. It spins you. Oh shit. It's really fun. Now we're in the truck. James is driving me around. A little nervous. Now we're swinging in a new swing. I'm pretty sure it's for an adult.
I think it is.
I think so. It's huge and Krazer's tugging. Just swinging away. Ah! My head. So we're walking across this bridge. Oh, there's a bunch of weeds. I'm not a fan of weeds. Ooh. Krazer, stay on the bridge.
Careful.
Krazer, go.
James, be careful walking over there.
There's a hole. We're having some troubles. I had to carry the dog, Mither, across the bridge because he was too scared. There was a little hole or a gap between the boards. He didn't know what to do. Our adventure. I didn't know there was this many trails out here. I think I'm going to have to come out here more often. Krazer, out of the weeds. James, put the stick down. It's so pretty. So pretty.
I'm gonna keep.
I love nature trails. Yeah, we went here last year and it sucked. Well, we made it to the park. There's the lake. There was a spot spider in the other slide, so I would go down this one. Come on.
Go down with. Hey, Megan, there's an army.
A spider? Down by the dock. Gonna go see if Mister wants to go in for a hot minute. Maisie, you can go in the water? We're entering the Pine Trail again. We're going back the way we came. Because, well, it's nicer this way. It's more scenic. So I'm getting ready to send the kids off home and go into work. And then I just had a package at the door from Matt's cousin. We got one of our wedding gifts in the mail because they couldn't make it. How awesome. So sweet. So I'm outside having a cigarette at the end of the night. And I thought I heard a kid. Ah! Fly in my face. I'm going to sign out. It's been a boring couple of days and I'm sorry. But I can't help it. I live in Osceola, Iowa, and it's pretty fucking boring here. But we make the most of what we can. But thank you for watching. I hope you like it. Thank you.